What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. If you follow the channel, you know, and if you've seen the Slocum Township Volunteer Fire Department mud bog, you noticed that I said in the video that we were going to take a ride in a mega truck. Well, here I have with us the owner and operator of the nickel and dime mega truck, Darius. Darius, I'd like to thank you for offering us to go for a ride in the mega truck. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your truck and what it's what do you have in it, what type it is, and stuff like that.
Absolutely. So it's a 1975 GMC K3500. We're running a 496 big block. We're running a 400 turbo trans with a manual valve body. Full over 16-inch coilover FOA coilovers. 4 links. It's a pretty fun truck. It's got a little bit of power. It's a lot of fun.
Okay, well guys, as you can see right here how tall the truck is, so Darius was kind enough to get me a step ladder so I could get up in there because I'm a little bit on the shorter side, but we're going to climb up in there and then we're going to take you guys through the mud pit just to show you guys what it's like to run a mega truck through a mud pit and what it looks like from inside the cab, because you got to give these guys a lot of credit for what they do. And you do have a social media page.
Yes, I do.
On Facebook?
Yep, Nickel and Dime Mega Truck at Facebook.
Okay, well guys, I'll put his link in the description below. Hit him up to follow these guys and where they go racing and stuff like that. So what do you say we climb up into this mega truck and go for a cruise?
Sounds Yep. Okay, works for me.
If I could, I'll just hand you the camera and
Absolutely.
you can hand it back to me.
Yep.
All right, guys, well, we are up here now and we are going to go for a cruise in this, but let me show you Darius getting up in here, and then we're going to show you guys what it looks like inside this cab. Yeah, so getting in here is not really easy. These guys use ladders to get up in here. Darius, how tall from the ground are we up?
9'3".
9 foot 3 inches. So let me pan you guys around just to show you what the truck looks like in front of us. That's actually about 15 yards in front of us. So we are way up there, and this is the inside of the cab on what it looks like. So now all we're doing is waiting to get in line so we can run this through. So as we pull up to the line, we'll be right back. forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and check him out. I'll put his link in the description below. Till next time, I'm Joe, hanging with Nick Darius and Nickel and Dime, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll with Wicked Bad.